All right, so I'm down to some of my last food after several weeks on the road, and some things I've kept in the van for quite some time now, so long that they're pretty much past their best by date, or these seeds of change basmati rice packets. They cook in literally 90 seconds in a microwave, or let's see, by a skillet. You can just stir up and so forth, and with a little bit of water. So that's another way to cook these, and these are great because they do last about a year or more in this bag. They already have all the water in them, and so you literally just have to open the packet, put it in a skillet, or put it in the microwave and cook for 90 seconds in a microwave, or probably a few minutes on a skillet. So I'm going to add these to a stir fry I have, give a little more calories, and use some of this up. I also, just as another thing, I also picked up some free samples at the Adventure Van Expo of these Minute rice and quinoa, and they come in 4 pre-portioned bags, and it says it cooks in about 5 minutes in the microwave in a pot of water, but it anyways, you cover it and I guess put it in a microwave for that long, or in a stovetop. It doesn't say, it looks like it says, okay, simmer for 10 minutes. So boil water and then simmer for 10 minutes. So that's another option. They also make a very similar product, also portioned in some smaller bags, or at least I think it is. It doesn't say on the box it is. It doesn't sound like it is, so maybe it's not. It says it cooks in 5 minutes, and it does say you have to measure out basically how much. So this may not be a pre-portioned package, but nonetheless cooks in 5 minutes. It is, neither of these Minute Rice options already have their water, so you do need extra water for that. Back to the seeds of change, you also have this nice black bean, organic even, that's a Mexican style, so it's savory, so it includes some corn and peppers, and these are really fantastic to also add to a meal, or make, add some tortillas. You have some either meat or vegetables, you can add these to make a nice burrito, or something else. Anyways, you can add to pretty much any kind of meal, and these also have the water in there. And these also, I believe, cook only in about 90 minutes. Let's see, memory back to when I've cooked last. Yeah, cook on high in your microwave for 90 seconds. So it doesn't have a stovetop option, but I'm sure, it does have a stovetop option. So pretty much just put in a pan and stir and cook and heat until it's warm. So that's another great option, and these are pretty awesome. They're basically about a 2-serving packet for these seeds of change. Really a great option, I think, and I think you can get these at Costco. I think that's where I got these. So great thing to keep in your vehicle, your camper, your van, your trailer, whatever, so you have things ready to eat when you need it in a hurry. Especially when you don't necessarily have a lot of extra food. It's great for kind of your backup food, which is what I'm using it for now, because I'm starting to run low on food. So there you go. So I'm going to give this a try, and let you know what it is. Well, my fellow friends, van lifers, van campers, out overlanders, etc. Sorry, my hair's a little bit of a mess. I just got back from a mountain bike ride, and so I've got some helmet head going on here. Jasmine, Minute Rice Jasmine Rice. Ready in 5 minutes. My review, no go. The seeds of change is far better, works far better, cooks faster, way tastier. This stuff kind of soggy / crunchy. Doesn't cook very well. It takes longer to cook. Then the seeds of change. Obviously, you have to add water, no big deal. But then also, they give you this stupid box where, what do you do about that? How do you close that opening? So now I have to stand it up, put in there. Now insects and bugs or whatever can get in there. It doesn't really have much of a scent, but a bear or something could smell it or whatever. It's just kind of like the seeds of change is all sealed up. So kind of sucks for camping, quite frankly. I'm disappointed. I probably won't even keep this in the van. I'll probably feed it to some birds or something. I don't know. Figure something out. I'll try it again, but as of right now, the first try, get the seeds of change.